Hi, friends! How are you all? I am here with a new lesson. Today, we will learn about body parts. We'll cover the main parts of the body. This lesson will help you understand the names of different body parts. This is face. Face. These are eyes, the organs that help you see. This is eyebrow, the line of hair above your eyes. This is nose. It helps you to smell and breathe. These are lips, the fleshy parts that surround your mouth. These are teeth, the hard white objects in your mouth used for biting and chewing. This is tongue, the muscle inside your mouth used for tasting and speaking. This is mouth. It is used for eating and speaking. This is ear, the organ that helps you hear. This is head. Head is the uppermost part of our body. This is cheek, the fleshy sides of your face. This is chin, the point of your face below your mouth. This is hair, the strands that grow on your head. This is neck, the part of your body that connects your head to your shoulders. These are shoulders, the parts of your body where your arms connect to your trunk. This is arm, the upper limb connected to your shoulders. This is hand, the part of your arms below your wrists. This is elbow, the joints in your arms that allow you to bend them. This is finger, the part of your hand with nail. These are nails. Nails will protect the sensitive tips of fingers and toes, aid in picking up small objects. This is chest, the upper part of your trunk, containing your lungs and heart. This is stomach, the organ that helps digest food. These are legs, helps for walking, running, jumping, and standing. This is knee, the joints in your legs that allow you to bend them. This is thigh. You use them to bend, flex, and rotate your lower body. This is foot, the parts of your legs below your ankles. These are toes, the parts of your feet. Okay, friends, please pause and let's fill this in. Let us check how much we learned. Let's fill this. 3, 2, 1, go! Head. Hair. Eyes. Ears. Mouth. Arm. Hand. Thigh. Foot. Knee. Learning is fun, right, friends? That's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos. An interesting story will be coming this Saturday. Hope you all join me in the next interesting story video. Thank you, friends. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and help me to share more content with you.